Hello guys, welcome back to Crust 101 Episode 2. As you all know, Crust is an IPFS incentive layer, and Crust has its own IPFS gateway. But we have also opened pinning service interfaces to various public chains. Developers of any public chain can place an order through Crust Storage Smart Contracts and use the public chain token to pay for storage fees. In this tutorial, Luke will demonstrate how to call Crust Storage Smart Contracts on Ethereum and Arbitrum. If you have any more questions, please join our community via Telegram, Discord, or Twitter.
Hey guys, it's Luke again. So today's episode will cover a very important and interesting topic, which is how to store your file through the EVM compatible platforms, including, I will give you two examples. One is Ethereum and another is Arbitrum. So without further ado, let's get to today's tutorial. Okay, so first I want to show you guys the basic idea about Crust cross-chain storage solution on Ethereum. So you can find the very detailed documentation under the Crust wiki. And the idea is quite straightforward. Is once you place a storage order through our storage smart contract, and it will emit an order event. And then our pseudo decentralized service node will listen to those events and place an order for you. And which means you pay your storage fee to the storage smart contract, and then the service nodes pay those storage orders for you. So we have already listed on those different Web3 platforms, including the Ethereum, including Arbitrum, Polygon, and also Aptos. Like not just the Solidity smart contract, but we just cover all, like most of the major Web3 storage smart contract. So, and you can get more details in this documentation, especially like how to calculate the file price on its different like Web3 platforms. And also you can get you can learn the storage smart contract code, because the whole codes are open sourced, and you can just refer those documentations on GitHub. Okay, so the first demo I want to show you guys is how to place a storage order through the Ethereum. So you can check the storage smart contract on the bottom of this documentation. I'm going to show you in a very straightforward way is calling the smart contract through the Etherscan, which you can translate off my steps into code. And so place a storage order through the Crust Storage Smart Contract on Ethereum, divided into 3 different steps. So the first one is you need to IPFS your file, which is you can either use the local IPFS way or use some like centralized IPFS gateways like Piata or Fleek. So I'm going to import a logo, which maybe this one, Faircaster logo into my local IPFS. Here we go. And then the second step is you need to get the price of this file through our storage smart contract, which is here, get the price. But before you get the price, you need to calculate the size, which the unit is byte. So for example, this one, I need to, okay, stop. So now I calculate the price in the unit bytes. Period, and I get a price, but the unit is gas. So then I need to the third step, the last step is call the place order function in the smart contract by pass the price, but you need to translate the unit into ETH. And then you get the CID and paste it here, and the size you just calculate it. I connect it with my wallet. It's that. And I call the smart contract. Now you have finished all the steps by calling the storage smart contract on Ethereum. Beside that, we also accept different tokens, which means all listed ERC20 tokens on the Uniswap. So you can find any kind of your favorite tokens and place a storage order here by calling this function. So that's it. The last step is like we can check this file if this file is guaranteed by Crust Network. So on IPFS scale, okay, here we go. So you can see how many replica have already confirmed in the Crust Network. And you can see the very detailed information here, like who store your data for you. And you can, like, for example, like click in and see this storage provider's information and all the files he or she stored. Okay, so the second demo I'm going to show you is how to place a storage order through the Arbitrum Crust Storage Smart Contract, which you can also find the smart contract on the bottom of this documentation. And I'm going to show you the same way, so I will pass most of the details. To my local IPFS client. That's the same. That's the same way as Ethereum demo, right? So yeah, that's the same. Get the price. And the places of storage order with divide with okay, and I'll copy the CID with the size. Oh, I didn't connect my wallet on Arbitrum. And I write it. Send the transaction, and I can get my transaction here. And then I can also check through the IPFS scan with the file I just placed. With the file I just store through the Crust Arbitrum Storage Smart Contract. And here we go. We can see those this file have already been confirmed by 7 different like nodes, and you can also check the storage status through this storage providers and all the detailed information through our storage explorer. So that's all. So that's all about today's demo and today's tutorial to help you how to place a storage order through the EVM compatible chains on the Ethereum, Arbitrum, and more Web3 platforms. So if you like this video, just give us a like. And thank you so much for your watching. See you next time.